speaking of Peter Cushing and not knowing that he wasn't there in Rogue One, it's a tangent, but at the Rogue One premiere, I sat behind Ricky Martin. As in, like, living La Vida Loca, she's all I ever had, Ricky Martin. Your face is priceless right now. I wish people at home could see how you're looking at me. I had no idea Ricky Martin was such a Star Wars fan. He was there with his family. And when Tarkin turns around from the Star Destroyer window and turns to the camera and there's that reveal, you have never seen anyone more excited to see Peter Cushing in your life than Ricky Martin was there. I mean, he was looking at his kids and smiling and gasping and like pointing at the screen. He was into it. Ricky Martin like has so much street cred as a Star Wars fan after seeing that genuine reaction in the theater.
Oh my God. I'm going to honor how good that story is by not making a Ricky Martin song reference. That's how much I like that story.
It was awesome.